All right, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be Euro District prep. Right now I'm about to head out and pick up some supplies to start cleaning and polishing my wheels for this weekend. So stick around and you'll see what all I get. All right, so we just got done at O'Reilly's, just picked up some parts, went to Harbor Freight, grabbed some stuff for polishing. We got everything right here, and we're gonna head back and start messing with polishing the wheels on the Jetta, and I need to replace the driver's side door buttons. Got that to replace because mine is starting to crap out, so I will get back and we'll get to it. We just got back with all the parts and it's about time to start working on the Jetta. I know you guys haven't seen it yet, so here it is.
My, oh my, oh my.
It's just sitting in its usual state in the garage. Ignore how messy everything is.
You messy beast.
But yeah, I've got just replaced the spark plugs yesterday, double checked the oil, prepping for this weekend. About to be polishing the wheels, which you can kind of see, give you guys a little glance at the fitment, which the lighting is terrible, so yeah, here's a sneak peek, and let's see if we can't polish out some of this grit.
You got grit.
You can see it's a little oxidized there, near the inside, kind of right here. So we're gonna see if we can't get rid of that. All right, so before we get into polishing the wheels, I actually forgot that I was replacing my my little door, window, and lock switches. It does not want to unlock all the time when I use it, and it's been getting really annoying, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that with this part that I just picked up, so that hopefully I can have that working perfectly before the show. Alright, so as you can see, we got this thing all cleaned up. Obviously the rubber coating on the inside is coming off, and it's really slimy and gross.
Gross! This is so slimy!
It's just degrading. Eventually I'm probably gonna take out most of my black interior pieces that have that rubber coating and kind of just get rid of it. I think you can use isopropyl alcohol to remove that, but I just don't want to go through the hassle of getting that nitty gritty right now, because this looks 1,000 times better already, and I'm not quite ready to completely tear apart the interior and mess with all that yet. All right, so now that we got this back in the door and installed, and I double checked, all the windows are working, all the lights are working, everything works good. Now we're going to take the car over to a car wash because unfortunately, since I live in apartments, I don't have a driveway with a hose to use. So I'm gonna take this over there and we're gonna test out some of this Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. I need to get these lips as clean as possible before I mess with polishing. So I'll see you when I get back. We are back with the Euro District prep. I just got my paint touch-up pins from Volkswagen. I'm gonna see on a small area if this looks okay, but yeah, got these. I'm also finishing up polishing this wheel back here. So we're back. I've been polishing wheels for forever now after I finished touching up the rock chips on the front. So here you can see this part of the lip right here is all freshly sanded with 2000 grit, mostly because when I'm hand polishing, it's really hard. My finger doesn't fit underneath these bolts, so it's really hard to get all the oxidation and grime that gets stuck under here. So I did find a way to sand under this using a piece of plastic to kind of wedge the sandpaper down and go all the way around. So this wheel is unpolished, all old, and I mean, the lips still looked okay, but nothing is polished on this side. Let me see if you can tell a difference with the side I just finished. Okay, so this is the freshly polished side.
Wow, 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 wow.
Ignore my hideous brake calipers. I'm actually pretty upset with myself for not prepping earlier when I could actually fix that and make those look nice for the show, but it's too late for me, and I'm going with crappy looking faded pink nasty calipers again. But anyway, you can see this lip is nice and polished. Looks a lot better. Pretty solid finish here. It's nothing ridiculous, not like I'm in a machine shop with like a tumbler and getting a machine perfectly brand new lip polish, but it's pretty good for what it is. I think tomorrow what I'm planning on doing is finishing up the polishing on the front wheels, and then I think I'm going to probably start the process of cleaning the paint. This car is pretty clean for the most part. It has a little bit of dust on it from sitting in the garage, but I did have it ceramic coated a while back, and this is basically just a garage queen that never leaves the garage. So we're gonna see what we can make happen with this paint. It usually looks really good in the sun once I get everything cleaned up, but yeah, that's pretty much where we're at for now. Hit up the Instagram if you want to see more pictures and follow me on there. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So I know I told you that I wasn't going to mess with my brake calipers because they were so nasty and I didn't really have time. And then I was thinking,
I might just have an idea.
And I realized that I could go pick up just a little bit of paint polish and probably clean them up a little bit to actually make them look decent. As you can see, this is one that I've done most of. I still need to touch up a couple spots, but you can see that the paint, it's a little bit dirty. But you can see that the paint looks somewhat fresh, a little bit shiny. It's all kind of the same color. Let me go around to the other side and show you the unfinished version. So this is what they looked like. Total garbage.
Garbage.
So yeah, I'm gonna clean all these up, get everything finished today.
2,000 years later.
We just finished all the stuff with the wheels and calipers. Finally, it took forever to get these done. I mean, hand polishing these things is a pain in the butt.
Butt cheeks.
But yeah, hand polished the calipers and the lips, cleaned up the faces. I fixed up some of the rock chips, so it looks a lot more smooth and fresh in the front. You don't see a bunch of white spots since I have a black car. And now I've got to jump into the interior. It's not super dirty in here by any means. Just have to vacuum the floors. They're a little bit dusty and they've got some stuff over there, but yeah, I mean, the interior is in pretty good shape. My seats are in really good shape for what they are. I don't know why this side looks so wrinkly.
Disgusting, wrinkly, gross.
It's not normally all warped out like that, but yeah, the interior on this thing is in pretty good condition. I've got to fix these door cards. That'll be something I'll probably be doing over winter, so keep in touch for some videos on that. I'm also going to redo the headliner. You can see it's falling down back there behind the back driver's side seat. That pillar's falling off. Everything's drooping. Looks like garbage. I'm going to take that to one of my buddies. He actually started the Obsess Worldwide. I'll link his channel actually down below, but he's got some really cool stuff. He's got a BMW that he's got wrapped real wild. He does a bunch of wrapping and some interior work and stuff like that, but we're about to get this swept up and move on to our final step after sweeping, which is the spray detail.
Details, Fez. We need details.
So I will see you guys then. Well, we just finished up getting everything tidied up for the show, so I'll give you guys one quick look, even though you can't really see because it's dark now, but everything is shining like a mirror.
A mirror.
As you can see, everything's looking good. Wheels are all polished, calipers got polished. Everything's looking good. Interior, you definitely can't see. Yeah, can't see anything. The battery disconnected. I think that is going to wrap it up for the Euro District prep video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that you specifically want to see, or if you catch a glimpse of anything in my garage or one of my other cars and you want to see more videos on those, let me know.
I want more.
I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.